Chiang Mai City has only been started raining for the past 2 to 3 hours. This is the monsoon season here in Chiang Mai. But I have really taken Singapore for granted in terms of the infrastructure. 2 hours of rain, and this is what we have got over here. Let's take a look how bad the condition is. Half the wheel is covered, and yeah, this is actually the whole entire stretch where this is the whole entire stretch where the night market will be happening, business will be affected, and yeah, I don't know what's going to happen later in the evening, where if water is not going to subside, business all affected out there. Take a look. Oh no, the car got stopped in the middle of the road. My goodness.